These super cute skull flowers are perfect last minute addition to your Halloween rocks. Start by placing white circles on your stone, slightly up from the bottom. Now we are going to split our space with some hashes and create petals on our rock. This is a good way to kind of make sure that you have nice and even spacing for your flowers. Once you have all your hashes, create arches all the way around your rock, and then you're going to fill in with your flower color. I'm doing these just flat, one color a piece. You could get really fancy here and make these two-tone, faded, whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to make one color for each of my flowers. Now, if you're not really super picky about your petals, you can just go right around your white circle and just create some flower petals all the way around. They don't have to be evenly spaced. And you can change the petal shape as well. Like I did some big fat ones. These ones are going to be a little bit more tall and skinny. Play around with the design. If you need a second coat, make sure you go in with a second coat so that your flowers have nice, vibrant color to them. Now our flower has to have some place to live, so we're going to put on a little bit of ground here along the bottom of our rock. We will attach a stem down to the grass. You can also add on a cute little leaf off to one side, and you can add some little grass blades in there as well if you want. Now go back and line the outside of your white circle. Then we're going to add on our skull smile and a couple of hollowed out eyes. So just big black ovals to create eyes for your rock. Next, go around and outline all of your petals. I do tend to outline every other petal first, just depending on how your petals lay out. Sometimes one will end up falling behind another one, and this just helps it look better when it's all said and done. Once you have all of your petals outlined, you can come through and add this little cute dash and dot all the way around your flower on each petal. You can come back and double dot your eyes. I'm just using a dotting tool here, but if you don't have those, you can grab a toothpick to do this or a white paint pen as well. Make sure you go back through and line that stem and leaf, and then your rocks are finished. These are so quick and easy to do, and we have a bunch more easy ones on the page you can check out.